Hi everyone, hope you're all well today. So it's a lovely day today, so I thought it'd be an ideal day to prick out some of these seedlings. These are the tomatoes, so I'm going to be pricking them out of here and separating them and repotting them into individual pots. And these are lettuce, cabbage and Brussels sprouts, which I'm going to thin out a bit and probably put them into these things, just like maybe 6 in each one, just for now until I can put them out, until my beds are ready. We've got dill, sage and parsley, which I'm going to repot as well. So I'll make a start on that and I'll get back to you in a minute. Right then guys, these are Costoluto Fiorentino tomatoes. These are beefsteak variety. So what we're going to do today is pot them up into these little pots. So first things first, we've got to get them out of here. So that should be pretty simple. Just break up the soil a bit, compost, and we should be able to take them out quite easily. There you go, there's one. So I'll let them, I haven't watered them much, so the compost is nice and crumbly. See the nice roots on them. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a tiny bit of compost in the bottom of this. This is already watered, this compost, but we'll water it again after I've planted them. And so when you repot your tomatoes, plant them as deep as you can in the pot. Bury as much of the stem as you can, all the way up to this first set of leaves here. You can put compost all the way up to there. You can even take them off and put it all the way up to there if you wanted to. It's the same for when you're putting them out in the ground. You can bury them. As long as you take the leaves off, you can bury the stem as much as you like. So you just fill up the compost around the edge, give it a nice firm down, not too hard, but give it a tap to level it off, and there's one done. So it's as simple as that. So I'll get the rest done and I'll get back to you when I'm finished. Right, so that's the Roma VF repotted tomatoes and Costoluto Fiorentino. So this one there is quite small. That's comparison, these were sown at the same time, so but they'll all catch up and they'll all be fine. We'll crack on and move on to the next things. I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright guys, so what I've decided to do with the lettuce is to just bin the seedlings down for now and leave them in here, because I don't want that many all at once anyway, so I'm just going to leave probably about 8 in here. So what I'm going to do is everywhere where there's a clump growing through, keep the one and snip off all the other little ones. So we've got, I mean, you could separate all out if you wanted to. It was my original plan, but I decided I couldn't be bothered. So I'll get back to you when I've finished doing that, and I'll also do the cabbage and the Brussels sprouts the same way. I'll get back to you when I'm done. Right, so I've thinned them out now. I've just left a nice big gap. I think there's about 12 or 13 in here now. So you see they've got a bit more room each to grow for now. So next ones I'm going to do are cabbage, golden acre. They're not too bad, but I'll just take out the weaker seedlings that are growing together. Like this one here, take that one out. So I'll get back to you in a minute when I finish that. Right, so that'll do them for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's about 12, 13 in there as well. So they're pretty well spread out, so they're fine for now. So I'll just leave them a bit longer until they're a bit bigger. The Brussels sprouts aren't too bad. There's a couple here growing together which I might thin out a bit. But the next thing I'm going to be doing is putting on a few of these. Obviously I don't need all of them. I do apologise if you can hear the dogs playing behind me. Hey! Destiny! Raven! Back it in. You little beastie. Alright, so I'll get cracking. Get back to you in a minute. Right, so that's the Brussels sprouts done. I've left 8 in there. I only want 2 or 3 plants. So I'll let them grow a bit more and then select the best ones. I've topped up the compost a bit because they were getting a bit leggy. They weren't too bad, but anyway. Next thing I'm going to try and do is separate out some of these. This is dill. So it shouldn't be too difficult. We just work the roots loose because I only want a few. So there's one. They're quite easy to separate. So we'll just pot a few up and I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright guys, so that's the parsley repotted. I've put 6 in there. The sage, there's 6 in there. Lettuce, the dill, 6 of them. Cabbage, Brussels sprouts. So they should all be alright now for another few weeks. I bought myself a little bit of time. Right, so anyway, that's it for this episode guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll keep you updated on how everything is, and I will see you next time. I'll see you later.